Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Tucker Clements with Simply Roofing. I want to welcome you to our new YouTube channel. We're going to be bringing you a lot of how-tos, side-by-side product comparisons, and helpful tips for your next roofing project. Today, we want to discuss the process of getting your roof replaced. Step 1, the inspection. You'll want to find a reputable contractor in your area to perform a thorough inspection for any aging, missing shingles, or most importantly, hail damage. Step 2, file a claim. If hail or wind damage has been found during the inspection, you'll want to file a roof claim with your homeowner's insurance. Other things that could be damaged would be your gutters, sidings, or any soft metals that might be on the roof. Step 3, adjuster meeting. Ask your contractor to meet with your insurance adjuster to ensure nothing is missed. They'll chalk out a 10 by 10 square on each of the directional slopes and mark the hail damage within the square. If enough damage has been found, the adjuster will write up an estimate to replace the roof. This is the estimate your contractor will most likely go by, so do not hesitate to give that estimate to your contractor. Step 4, pick a color, weight, and build. We'll talk a little further about colors in another video, but during these summer months it does get extremely hot and the weather can be a little bit unpredictable. So don't worry if your contractor has to move your build date around because of those things. It's perfectly normal. Step 5, final invoice. After your roof has been completed, your contractor will submit a final invoice to the adjuster for the final portion of the roof to be paid out. We hope you found this information helpful. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again.